I'm back to my normal self in as much I can swim, I can do my walking. I've walked the Seven Sisters. Not lying, it was a challenge, but I did it. And I would never have been able to do that if it hadn't been for my knees being replaced. I would just not be able to do the things I'm doing now. So I'm very grateful. Mr. Ellis from KIMS Hospital was my surgeon. He was a very nice person, very patient, very understanding. It was something that was talked about, that the right knee was not as bad as the left knee. So it was then that he suggested I have the left knee done first, and then the right knee was done in January the following year. When I first arrived through the door, I felt relaxed and comfortable, and the people were lovely, and Mr. Ellis himself couldn't have done more. And he helped me to build my confidence up. He told me all about what would happen, and I was quite happy to go ahead. When the day came, I went to the pre-op room and I was sedated, and everybody there was just lovely, made me feel very relaxed and very at ease. Went into the surgery, and before I knew where I was back out again in bed, which was great. Follow-up appointments were very good, and you didn't have an awful long time to wait. The physio was fantastic, although they did chuck me in at the deep end. It did help a lot to actually have that, and I had it for about 6 weeks. I got rid of the crutches quite quickly and went on to using Nordic poles, and I joined a Nordic pole group, and I used to go walking with them. And then I got to a point one day and I said to my husband, I'm not going to use the poles, I'm going to take them, because I had a little backpack to put them in, but I'm not going to use them. But I'm taking them just in case, and I haven't looked back since. I don't use them at all anymore. I don't take them with me, and I haven't got them in the caravan or the car. I do 3 days a week at the gym, I swim with my daughter, and my life is back to what it was before. So I've got all those things back in place now that I can carry on with my life, and I'm 72 years old.